Hi, this is Dr. Jim Turn again with another episode of Frequently Asked Questions. My patients are always asking me, Doc, what's that snapping noise, that popping, that cracking? Well, you can snap a twig, you can pop a cork, and you can crack a joke, but chiropractors adjust the spine. So what is that sound? Well, in a subluxation, one of the characteristics is what we call fixation, or a locking or improper motion in the joints. When that happens, the fluid in the joint is under a higher pressure than normal. Just like if you take a can of soda and shake it up. Now, when we adjust the spine, the pressure in that joint immediately falls. We create a vacuum in the joint, and carbon dioxide comes out of solution and pops, just like opening up that can of soda. Now, research has told us that the noise is actually inconsequential to the effectiveness of the adjustment. And I know a lot of patients like to hear it. So what I do for them is I put some peanut shells underneath the table, and I step on them when I adjust so they can hear the noise. I'm cracking a joke. Until next time, this is Dr. Jim Turn. Be well.